Hi, Aiden. What you doing?
Getting wet.
Getting wet? Are you swimming?
And Mommy,
Huh.
I've got glass to pick out.
Aiden's gonna go squirt himself.
I'm down.
Can you get? Whoa! Can... Hey, Aiden, can you get one of the little hoses? Yeah. Come on over here, bud. Show me those. What do they do? What do those things do? Uh-oh. Oh, you can squirt your belly.
I can.
Ha! What are you doing? Jenny, what are you doing? Are you doing the backstroke? Hey, no shooting Mommy with the video camera. No.
And then I got it.
Aiden, what are you doing, bud?
I know what to do. You know, I got a squirt gun. Oh yeah, I got a squirt gun. Squirt. Yeah, I got a squirt
Hey, Aiden.
gun.
Aiden.
I got a squirt gun.
Buddy.
I got it. Whoa. I got it. Whoa. And you see, I turned the sprinkler. What's it?
Oh, cold. Is it cold?
We've got all the colors.
We do.
Aiden's got this. I've got the last color. So I win.
Oh, is it too cold? It's cold? But it's yummy, huh? Ooh. Popsicle.
Bite.
Oh, are you sticky? Uh-oh. You messy? Yeah. That happens sometimes.
And the table's now messy.
That's alright.
And it's painted.